Hi, good morning. So this video is about the mains approach that you might choose to follow for the next 3 months. What are the goals that you have to broadly keep in mind and how objective can we make our approach? First and foremost, we have 5 papers and optional. Essay, GS1, GS2, GS3, GS4 along with optional, right? Each paper 250 marks worth. Now, most of the time students may put their lots of effort on two areas, GS2 and 3, particularly collecting lots of current affairs, gathering all the material, downloading the topics list and the content, right? So lots of content. Instead, I want to propose an alternative approach where you can maximize your score and put all, if not all, the maximum balls in one basket. What would we do? Here's my approach. For the next 5 weeks, okay, so till mid-November, maybe you can set a target of till pre-result. What should you do? First and foremost, consolidate your optional. Optional is worth 500 marks. Okay, so what do I mean by consolidation? Get your syllabus copy ready. Have notes for each and every topic in the optional. You need not make the notes on your own. You might consult coaching material, you might consult toppers notes, you might just take any classroom notes, anything. But you should be aware of each and every keyword in the syllabus list. So for optional, knowing all the topics in syllabus, solving all previous year questions. You need not write all the answers. So what do I mean by solving? You can just mentally frame answers for all previous year questions chapter wise. Next, have your own notes ready. Own notes need not be handwritten notes. Once again, you can consult toppers notes, you can go back to your coaching material notes, or any good notes available on the internet, any good authentic notes available on the internet. But your focus is to maximize on 500 marks for the next 5 weeks. Alright, so if you put this effort, you may even go for any test series, right, on optional, any good test series in the market. But your goal is to consolidate optional. 1. Second, focus on ethics and focus on essay. These 2 papers are low hanging fruits, means with minimal effort you can maximize your scores. They are also worth 500 marks put together, and your effort in ethics will help you in essay, your effort in essay will help you in ethics. Again, what are you going to do? Collect examples, prepare frameworks, especially for essay. Prepare frameworks, and for ethics, have your own keyword list. So for all topics in the syllabus, have your own definition of that particular keyword. Write down an example and read some theory. You can choose lexicon or you can choose any good book in the market. It should not take more than 4 or 5 days of consolidated preparation. So your goal is to have an idea of each and every keyword in the syllabus 1. Make your own definition of the keywords. Have your own examples for the keywords. So you're consolidating ethics. Then you may choose to take any good tests and visit all previous year questions. Visiting, you may solve, you may literally write those answers, or you may mentally rehearse practicing. In this way, we have covered 500 marks of optional, 500 marks worth ethics and essay, which are very easy to do. So you can give 70% of your time to optional, 10% of time for ethics and essay, because essay keeps on going. You can take up one essay topic each week. So women issues this week, keep on researching, maybe half an hour every day, consolidate your learnings. Same with ethics, set a target of 4 to 5 days and wrap up your preparation. So it might not even take more than 10% of your time. Next and very important is current affairs. For GS2, GS3, if you cover the current affairs, which may occupy around 200 marks, of your mains papers, right? So what do I mean by 200 marks? GS2, GS3 together, they are for 500 marks. If we are assuming that more than half of the questions will be from current affairs itself, we just cut the slack and say 200 marks only, less than half. Still, if you finish off your current affairs consolidation now itself, because you have already read them for your prelims, you have that freshness with respect to all the current issues. Just reading them and re-looking at them from a mains point of view will be very easy at this moment rather than postponing them. So along with your optional ethics and essay, please consolidate your current affairs part of GS2 and 3. You need not touch static right now. Leave them for a later period. For now, focus on current affairs. So that is 200 marks worth. So what are we going to do in the next 5 weeks? 500 plus 500 plus 200. So you're working on 1200 marks at once. What would we be otherwise doing? We'll focus too much on GS1, which is geography, history, which never ends, and too much on GS2 and 3 material collection. So you are just putting all your efforts on 750 marks. Instead, I am proposing an alternative where you can definitely score high on optional. If you put 70% effort on optional, high chances that you can push yourself into the rank list. Focus 70% on optional, 10% on ethics and essay. Take it slowly over the next 5 weeks. Ethics at once, wrap it up and start writing answers. Essay, take it gradually, topic wise. And then finish off current affairs. You can say this week for polity current affairs, next week for economy, next week for S&P, next week for environment. Finish off all current affairs in GS2 and GS3. That's the proposal for next 5 weeks. After that, we'll get back.